What's up guys, and welcome to the third lesson of these terminal videos, and in this video it's all about change directory. So before we showed you how to do ls, what it was, so you list it, ignore the next part. If I was to go to change my directory to desktop, now I can do ls. So yeah, if I now do change directory is what I wanted to do, that takes me back to the home directory. So we went from one directory to another. The CD desktop is what I wanted to do, but I had to do it beforehand to show you. If I go to here, then I can do CD to go back to all my directories in the past. If I do CD dot dot, I go one back. If I do CD print working directory, shows you where you're at the minute. If I just do CD dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot, it's just taking me back 3 directories back. So if I just do change directory, now it's just giving me my home directory. Alright, so that's it for this video. Clear that out. So what did we actually look at? We just looked at the CD command. We can navigate from one place to another. We also looked at if you do CD dot dot slash dot dot and on, you can go back even further rather than your home directory. You can go back another directory. And we also looked at print working directory. We also looked at you can go from CD desktop and whatever. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in terminal lesson 4. Thanks for now.